Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Google Talks. So here today we made something new, and it's something interesting as well. So it's called AgentFable. It's a kid story maker. Uh, right. So this is a web application, interactive web application, which uses multi-agentic flow in the backend, which takes the preferences that has been given here. Mm, what's the name that we want to keep it in the story, and what are the required words that are interested to the particular kids. This is made for kids, so it's made for uh, 5 to 10 years of kid. I have kids, so I just want to have a story every day to tell them. So you can have it for that purpose. So you can change the names as let's say, uh, then we sound it maybe. And we can just save our preferences based on that. So this reading level A2, A1, A2 is for smaller kids, and A1 is for kids who has really great vocabulary and can understand high level English. So we're selecting A2. And then we are avoiding as well, avoiding some themes, violence, horror, reading limits, because this is just for kids. So we are keeping this also a guardrail. And then we save the preferences, and just enter a topic. Let's say uh, mm, boy loves sports. Sports. Then we will generate a story. So here it takes into consideration of all these things that we have given, and it uses three agents here. So one is for planning the outlay of the story, and the second is author, who takes the planned schema and prepare the story. Then there is another thing called Critic, right? So Critic will actually go through whether the given story is actually making some sense, or it's just a randomly kept sentences. And it also goes through the guardrails that we have mentioned here, whether this is coming under any of this uh, uh, any of these themes, or it is it adhering to the preferences. So the critic again checks it. And then if it is yes, then it just passes. Else it will go for one more round of uh, calling the LLM and correcting it out. So there are these three agents that are working sequentially, and yeah, if you see it's on sunny Sunday, right? So we have mentioned Sunday. And then Good Morning Champ, Dad said ready for some soccer. Then Park Ignition, Dad playing soccer, etc. etc. Then we have this moral as well, kindness and sharing makes everything more fun. So here we can give moral as well, and based on that our story outline will change. So if we see in the planner, it gives the schema. So what can be the title, what can be the setting of the entire story, and then what are the characters that can be there, and just the outline of it. No, these things it will be sent to the author, which uses these things to write a story. And critic goes through the give an answer and then rate it, uh, whether the story is adhering to the settings that I have mentioned. Yeah, and this is it. So here is also some quick things which are present. We can just select it and story out of it. If not, we can with the topic. And this is with the Streamlit from the front end and back end, as I explained. It's Gemini Hash 2.0. And here for Critic, we can actually use two different kind of LLMs, with GPT and the other with Gemini or something like that. But as of now, we just use both see, we can use like this to avoid uh, uh, the content that we don't want to show to kids, right? So yeah, this is it, and I have mentioned the GitHub link over there. If you want to contribute or uh, use it, you can really uh, go to the GitHub that I mentioned in the YouTube link, and it's just you just need to have run.bat, which installs all the dependencies, all the virtual environment, and then just takes you to this interactive web application where you can stay with it. As of now, the front end and back end are in local system, so you just have to use the run.bat, and you can also go to the readme that I've mentioned where you can uh, see and do some changes.